Imagine a train so luxurious it redefined first-class travel in Britain. Welcome aboard the Blue Pullman, a symbol of elegance, speed, and innovation. In 1960, British Rail introduced the Blue Pullman, the nation's first luxury high-speed diesel-electric train. Operating between major cities like London, Manchester, and Birmingham, it completed journeys in remarkable times for its era. Designed exclusively for first-class passengers, the train featured air-conditioned coaches, plush seating, and at-seat dining services. It was the epitome of luxury on rails. But why did such a groundbreaking service last only until 1973? Despite its innovations, the Blue Pullman faced challenges. The advent of faster electric trains, high maintenance costs, and changing passenger preferences led to its withdrawal. Fast forward to recent years, and the Blue Pullman was reborn. Locomotive Services Limited restored a high-speed train HST set, painting it in the iconic Nanking blue livery, reminiscent of the original. Today, it offers luxury rail tours across the UK, from the Scottish Highlands to the English Riviera, allowing passengers to relive the golden age of train travel. This revival begs the question, what is it about the Blue Pullman that continues to captivate us? Is it nostalgia, the allure of luxury, or the romance of rail travel that draws us in? Perhaps it's all of these. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the rails. All aboard for the next adventure.